In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Google Drive. Collaborating with others through Google Drive is a straightforward yet powerful way to share and manage files seamlessly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're there, sign in with your Google credentials, like your Gmail address and password. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're securely logged into your account where your files and folders are stored. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your Google Drive's main interface. Now, to share any of your files or folders, first decide which one you want to collaborate on. Click on the folder or file of your choice to select it. Next, perform a right-click on the selected item to reveal a context menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Share option. Clicking Share prompts a window to pop up, where you can specify the people you want to share your file or folder with. Enter the email addresses of all the intended collaborators into the designated field. Make sure to double-check these emails to avoid any typing errors that could lead to sharing issues later on. After entering the email addresses, look for the editor icon, usually depicted by a pencil. Clicking this icon lets you choose what kind of permissions you want to assign to each collaborator. By default, Google Drive offers three main levels of permission: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Viewer allows the person to only view your files without making any changes. Commenter adds the ability to leave comments but still restricts editing content. Editor, on the other hand, grants full editing rights, enabling the person to modify, move, or even delete content within the shared folder or file. It's crucial to carefully choose the appropriate level of access for each collaborator based on the project's needs and the user's roles. Once you've determined the permissions for each user, ensure you convey these expectations clearly when setting them, so there are no surprises for the collaborators. Finally, everything is in place and permissions are set. Simply click on the Send button to initiate sharing. The people you've shared the file or folder with will receive an invitation email. By clicking the link within this email or accessing their Shared with Me folder in Google Drive, they'll be able to view or edit the shared content as per the permissions you've granted. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to collaborate with others using Google Drive. Whether you're working on documents, spreadsheets, or storing important files, following these steps ensures that everyone involved can easily participate and contribute where needed. Enjoy collaborating.